Hi, I'm Abantaka from Underlinen, and I have Raghavendra with me who heads the marketing here. So we'll talk about Milu for a minute here. Milu has been there in the space for a couple of years, and recently our company has taken up the relaunching of Milu. So we've revamped the whole thing. A little bit about Milu. Milu is a 37-year-old Swiss brand, and the ideology of Milu has always been to give the safest clothing to children, and which is something that we still want to follow and carry on with. Starting with how we are trying to provide a safer approach, we have partnered with a GOTS certified facility called Wellnet in Tirupur, and they have been doing kids wear exports for a very long time. You can call them a pioneers in the market now, and they have all sorts of facilities to make sure that the clothing that is coming out at the end of the process is absolutely safe. The dyes that we are using are completely organic and safe dyes that will not have any reaction with your child's skin. The kind of trims, buttons, hooks, clips, whatever we are using is tested multiple times. All of our designs, all of our products goes through layers of testing and trials before we can actually release it in the market. As the age range that we're providing for is from infant to 6 years old, that's the most formative years of a child, we need to ensure that the clothing that the child is getting is not just cute, but also functional and something that they will feel safe and comfortable in. Milu's entire product line is a 100% cotton product line, because for children there is nothing better than that. And apart from the different processes that we are doing to ensure the safety of the child, I would want to talk about the kind of collections that we are doing here. So contrary to the popular kids wear channels that keeps on doing a lot of graphics, characters, things that a child would generally see on television, we've tried to come a bit away from that and give an essence of wholesomeness into the whole clothing. The whole approach is very cute and not inspired by what they would see on a screen. Milu's ideology is to bring children back to the ground level where they can play, they can grow within themselves and not be dominated by influences from outside. If you've seen the Milu line, we've talked about nature, we've talked about animals, we've also talked about the Swiss heritage. And Swiss as people are known for the quality of their products, which is definitely something we want to carry on.
See, market expectation actually since Milu was there in the Kerala market earlier also, now it has picked up very well compared to earlier. Even the sales what we are getting now, it's much better. Every month it's increasing the sales, and we are in most of the bigger outlets in Kerala. See, basically what happened, earlier it's only two exclusive stores were there in Kerala. Now we want to get into entire market, other stores also, rather than once more ranges have come in, then probably we can have an exclusive stores. We need to have more ranges has to come in, then we can get into it.
I mean, we have a couple of things planned now, which I can't tell you, it's a secret. But yeah, as you said, the response that we got from Milu, because it was existing in the South market, has been very overwhelming for us. It's been great that people still recall the brand and they still remember the brand for the kind of products and quality that they give. I think the only gap we had was Milu was not updated fashion-wise. That we have fixed here, hopefully. And apart from about the market penetration, we're not just doing EBOs, which is definitely something we have planned for the future. We're trying to get more volumes here, get more stores, so that there should be a point that any decent store you go into, you should get a Milu product over there. Manpower wise, again, we have a very competent sales team who have been there in the market for ages now. So we completely trust these guys, and what they've done for us in the past couple of months with Milu launch happening has been overwhelmingly great. So we have a lot of faith of what they're doing, and it's a very promising field going forward. Apart from that, we are also available online, which I think connects the consumer to the brand a bit more, because when you see something constantly on the online places, you might trust it a bit more, and you see the product in real life in a store, that kind of clicks you to buy that product. And yes, Milu itself is a very premium brand, or comparatively a premium brand. So the prices might be a bit high compared to some of our competitors. But what we charge for, we completely compensate with the product and the quality that we are giving. Do you like children? Do you have children? And do you want your children to be happy and safe? I think compared to a lot of kidswear brands, our products do look different, they do feel different. The collection, the ranges that we are giving are definitely much better thought of and curated than what you're locally getting in the market. So that is one point where you can buy something from Milu. As a consumer also, when you're seeing this out of 4 other products, you are inclined to choose this product a bit more because of the product aesthetic, quality, everything put together. Like, I think as a parent, when you're walking in, the biggest concern would be the quality of the product and how your child feels when they are wearing a product. So Milu has kind of sorted that when the kid is wearing the product, they would not have any issues with how it's fitting, with how it's feeling. Kids do get to throw tantrums around that. I think once that part is sorted and you know that your end consumer is going to be happy, that is the biggest motivator for any distributor, retailer out there to keep the products in their stores. So we are currently partnered with the Foursquare team who has been helping us vehemently with the whole Milu process. And for all order related questions, distribution related questions, they are your go-to guys.